Hello, Amy. Good evening.
Good evening.
Can you hear me well?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. Amy, how are you?
I'm happy.
Wow, that's nice. What did you do today?
Study in school.
Oh, you studied. Well, I'm proud of you because you've been a good girl for today. How's the weather in your place? Is it cold?
No, is rainy, but it's not hot.
Rainy.
But
It's not cold, right?
yeah, it's not rain.
All right, Amy.
It's
Anyway,
rainy
what
like
did
this.
mm-hmm.
This is it's very
Yeah.
small. Small.
What do you mean small? It's raining a little bit? You mean it's just drizzling, right? Not heavy rain. Okay, so when it's not when the rain is not very strong, okay, then that's just what we call drizzling. It's only drizzling, that one. Or
Oh,
it's just showering. Just like when we take a shower, so only few water comes from it. Anyway, so last Wednesday we learned about I love art class, right?
yes.
Okay. So for tonight, we are going to continue, Amy. Okay. So we are actually going to have a quiz. Are you ready for this quiz? Are you ready?
Y- Yes,
All
of course.
right. So let's see if you still remember our lesson about art class, Amy. Here it is, Amy. This time, I want you to look and fill in the blanks. You are going to write your answer inside the box. For example, I make a blank in an art class. So I can say, I make a cow in an art class. Now, what about this one, Amy?
Yes. Wait. Oh, I don't see my
All right.
Oh, I see now. Em Linh học. Okay. I make a picture.
What's your answer? I
I
make
make
a.
a picture.
All right.
Uh,
Look, I make. What is the opposite of of clean? That's dirty, right? So what is similar to dirty?
um, but I don't know singing now.
Similar, that means the same word
I
for
know.
dirty. So do you remember?
Um,
It starts with letter M. I make a mess in art class. Okay. What about this one? This is very simple, Amy. You can do it, Amy.
is a paper plane.
Very good. So I want you to write your answer there.
Okay. But I don't see my pencil, but I only see the S. That's a S.
Letter S, you can actually write. No need to um type it in the keyboard. Just write like that.
I say I
I
can see
make
my
an
pencil,
airplane like that.
but I don't see my pencil.
It's all right. Then I just want you to look and read and complete the sentence by telling me your answer. So look, what do you
Airplane. I make a flower in art class.
very good. What about here? What do you make?
I made a hat in art class.
Very good. And lastly,
I made a cat on the art class.
all right, I want you to say chain.
Change.
Yeah. So what do you make here?
I make a change
That's right. Very good, Amy. So in an
because
art
I don't
class,
remember the
we
thing.
make different things, such as drawing animals, which is a cow. We also make a mess, an airplane, a flower, a hat, a chain, and many other things that we can
Yeah,
do
this
in an
is
art
a change.
class.
This is a change.
That is a chain. But what product of chain is that? That is called
Mellow, right?
what is it called?
Neck, bracelet.
A bracelet. Very good, Amy. Okay, so Amy, this time I want you to look and circle your answer. Let's have a quiz about the story. I love art class. So question number 1, Amy. What is the main idea of this book? A. A boy loves making hats in art class. Or B. A boy makes many things in art class. A or B?
Managing. B, of course, B.
Oh, yes, that's correct, Amy. Okay, now what about number 2? What is a detail in this book that tells us about this main idea? A. The boy makes a flower. Or B. The boy loves art class. I mean, the boy loves art.
Of course.
Wow, smart girl. 3. Who is telling the story? A. The boy. Or B. The teacher?
At the mall, but I think it's a boy.
Yes, you are correct. Number 4. What does the boy make first? A. A mess. Or B. A drawing?
Of course, drawing.
Wow, you're almost done, Amy. Last number. The boy in this story makes a mess. What word means the opposite of mess? A. Clean. Or B. Dirty?
First. I don't know, but I think it's clean.
Wow, very good. That was a very good guess, Amy. Then, of course, you've got a perfect score of 5 out of 5 for
Five
this
star.
test. Of course, but I'm gonna make it double for you since you got a perfect score. Instead of getting 5 stars, I'll give you 10 stars instead. Very good. Can you give me a high 10? Give me a high 10.
Of course.
Ta-da! Wow, nice, Amy. Okay, so now let's look at the next unit. Are you ready to learn something new, Amy?
Of course. Of
All
course.
right. So, do you know what an earth is?
I don't know first, but you can.
Okay, Earth is actually the planet that we live in. This is our world. That's our planet. Okay, so in the universe, there are many planets. The third planet is called Earth. This is our world. Okay, so what can you see in the Earth, Amy? I want you to look at the picture. Those are all the things that you can see in our planet. What can you see? I cannot hear you. I want you to unmute yourself. It's the same thing, Amy. I can't hear you. You are muted. You have to unmute yourself, just like this. You have to unmute. Turn on your microphone.
Little Smart Planet presents.
Are you ready to watch the video about the planet? Yes or no? I can't hear you. I'm not going to play it if you don't turn on your microphone. Look at yourself in Zoom. I can't hear you because your mic is off. Are you ready, Amy? Hello, Amy. Are you ready? You have to turn on your microphone. Oh, there you are, finally. Thank you to your sister. Yes. So do not touch your audio settings in Zoom. Okay? All right. So going back, the next unit is all about the Earth. The Earth is our planet. That is the world that we live in, Amy. Because in the universe, there are many planets. The third planet is what we call the Earth. Yeah? I'm sorry, I cannot hear you. Hi, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, there you are. Yes, very good. Okay, so now let's watch this video, Amy.
Planets!
This is our planet, Earth. It is blue from far away. That's why we also call it the blue planet. If we get close enough, we can see it's full of seas and oceans, which are also blue. The sea is full of fish and whales, and it has a lot of waves. The land is covered with mountains and woods and rivers and animals. Look, a cow. And there's a bird. Birds fly through the sky. And if we look up, we can also see clouds. Clouds are white and beautiful and float in the air. Between the clouds, there's the moon. Let's get closer to have a look. The moon spins around the earth. And if you look up at night, you can almost always see it. So, this is Earth, the place we live in.
All right. So what do we call this one, Amy?
The earth,
I want you to say Earth,
earth,
Earth.
earth.
Very good. So what is the color of the Earth, Amy?
Um, green and blue.
Very good. So why is it blue?
Teacher, but I say it's the earth, but you don't hear me. You hear me say what? You hear me say?
Er, er, like
I
that.
say the earth. I say
Earth.
the
All
earth.
right. Well, that's great because you said the Earth. Okay, so why is the Earth color blue, Amy?
Um, because it's a beach.
Yes, that's right. Because um the Earth is covered, I mean, the Earth has many oceans in it. That's why majority of it is blue because we have plenty of oceans. Now, what about the green color? What does it represent?
It's a mountain.
Very good. So that is land and water. Water represents blue, green represents land. What can we see in the land?
You can see everything. It's like a car, a motorbike, a bike, a
Yes, all
flower.
right. So we can see mountains, trees, okay, river, flowers, and plants. Okay, so this time, let's learn about the earth. Do you like this world,
No,
Amy? Really? Then why are you still here? Actually, the earth is very beautiful. Look at that mountain. Look at those beautiful flowers. They're nice to their eyes. I want you to look at the ocean. Do you like going to the beach?
no, I don't like it.
Why not?
Oh,
Why not?
because I don't like it.
All right, whatever. Anyway, how many planets do you know, Amy?
Um, like it. I don't want
What
like
are the
it
planets that you know?
on the earth, right?
Oh, the Earth is just one of the planets. Okay. But in the universe, there are many planets. So what are the planets that you know?
Sun.
Sun is actually not a planet.
Oh, a sun on the earth. A sun is like this. It's very big. All the earth. It's
All
big, but
right. So
you
yes,
know
the
that sun.
sun is big and it's so hot. So the position of the Earth from the sun is in third place. First, okay, I'm going to show you a picture, Amy. Do you want to here so that you have an idea what on Earth, what the universe look like here? Oh no, not that one. Solar system.
Ah,
Oh, look at this one, Amy. So this is our solar system. The sun is part of the solar system, but this is not a planet. Okay, this is the sun. The
wow, the
first
sun
planet
is going
is
on
the
the earth.
Mercury. Of course, it's bigger than any planet. So the first planet is Mercury. We have Venus. Okay? Then we have Earth. Okay, the sun is even bigger than the moon itself. Okay, so the third planet is Earth. It's followed by Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, so look at this one. The closer the planet to the sun, the hotter it is. So look at those planets. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system?
A smaller.
Which one? I want you to read it or circle. Very good. That is the hottest. Why is this the hottest planet, Amy?
It's because um um it's second. Oh no.
Because it's very close to the sun.
Um
Yes. Okay, so what do you think is the coldest planet? If Mercury is the hottest planet, then what is the coldest planet in the solar system? All right. Why do you say that?
because I see it's not cold. It's not closer.
All right. So yes, that's reasonable. I accept that one. But even though that Neptune is actually the farthest planet from the sun, it's not the coldest. It's let me see. Neptune? No, it's not. It's Uranus. Where's Uranus? It's here. The second to the last planet is the coldest. Uranus actually
Why?
has the lowest temperature among all the planets. Then that means Uranus is the coldest. Okay, now I want you to look at the Earth. Where is it?
Um it's it's of course this is the earth. The earth.
That's the Earth. Very good. So that is our world. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
our world is big. But it's why is very small.
Because I don't know how to say it, Amy. That's just an illustration, just a drawing. Just like this one. Look, mountains are big in real life, but look at this drawing. Mountains are just like this in this drawing because that's just an illustration to represent the positions of those planets in the solar system. All right?
Oh.
Because in the earth, there are billions of animals, billions or even trillions of people. That's how big our planet is. Okay, so anyway, I want you to tell me, Amy, how many continents are there in the earth? Do you know what a continent is, Amy?
Of course.
Are you sure? Then tell me some continents that you know. Okay, in Vietnamese, this is what continents
Picture.
mean.
Look on the picture.
Listen,
Look on the picture.
continents.
Look on the picture.
So that's no, right? So you don't know anything about continents.
I say of course no, but you think yes.
Oh, yes, because you said, of course.
Of
Like that.
course it's no.
Oh, all right. Now, listen to this. This is the translation of what continent is.
Lục địa.
That's continents. All
What?
right?
I don't hear it.
Again.
Lục địa.
Do you
Look
hear him?
here. But it's not
The,
on Vietnamese. It's not
this
on
is not in
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese. Ah, here, continents in the earth. This one,
Các lục địa trên trái đất.
that one. Do you
What?
understand now?
What? I don't hear.
Các lục địa trên trái đất.
Chowder is Vietnamese, but Khao is not on Vietnamese.
You probably don't know what it is. Yes, because
I
you're not
know,
familiar with it. Okay.
I
So,
know,
Amy,
but
if you know, how many continents are there in the earth?
it's like a flower, right? I say that.
It's not a flower.
But look,
Actually, listen. We have 7 continents. I'm going to write it. I want you to take down of it. Okay. In our world, there are 7 continents. What are the 7 continents? The largest continent in the world is
Tisha,
where we live in, Asia.
but look, it's not on Vietnamese, but I know everything of Vietnamese now.
All right, well, that's great because, of course, you should know about it because you are Vietnamese. Okay, so again, Amy, there are 7 continents in our planet. We have Asia. What else?
Hmm, but
Africa,
agree.
Australia, which is
I
sometimes called
scared.
as Oceania, like that. Okay, what else? North. Let me see. 4, North America. 5, South America. What's 6? 6, we have
I understand on
Antarctica.
Vietnamese say now. I understand now.
Then 7, we have Africa already, Europe. Yeah, so those are the 7 continents in the world. Okay. So from which continent do you live in, Amy? Are you from Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica, or Europe? Which continent do you live in?
But I don't
Which continent
understand.
do you live in?
I
Bạn sống ở
don't
châu lục
understand.
nào?
What? What?
Listen.
Bạn sống ở châu lục nào?
Oh. But okay. But that is not on Vietnamese.
Oh, anyway, okay. We are both
Ah,
from Asia.
it,
Vietnam
it,
and
it's on.
Philippines are
It's
in
a wait.
Asia.
It's
Yeah.
on Vietnamese, but I don't remember. I live on this. It's on Vietnamese, but I don't remember that. Let's say it. Ah,
All right. So I want you to say Asia. Asia.
Asia.
This is where we come from. We both live in Asia. We are from Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world, Amy. Okay. So, Amy, look at this one. I want you to look and tell me, what is this? Look, what can you see? This is a desert. It's a very hot place. What's this? At the earth? What about this one? What's this?
This is a mountain, but this is a flower.
Oh, this one is not mountain. This is what we
Oh,
call desert.
desert. Right?
Very good. It is a place that is so hot. Yes. Okay, look,
Yeah,
what's this?
and this have this animal.
Yes, it has animal there. An animal who is very
It's like this.
thirsty
It's
from
like this.
carrying people and things. That's a camel.
It's like this, right?
Yes,
Yes.
that one. That's the camel. Very good, Amy. Anyway, Amy, we'll just continue to talk about the Earth next time. So for tonight, you've got 8 stars. Thank you so much for joining our class.
Uh-huh.
I hope you learned something, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye, Amy.